Smell that? That is the smell of redemption. You know why? We got our lugs. Hopefully they're the right size, because if they're not... Alright, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here today. We're just going to get right into this. It's redemption day with the wheels. We got the lugs in. Hopefully they're the right ones. 14 by 1.5. Don't forget, if you guys want a set of lug nuts, 14 by 2.0, comment below. Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to pick one of you guys and I'm going to send you a set of lug nuts. They're the 8 lug, 32 count Mr. Lug Nut set. You know, just lug nut set. So yeah, we're just going to get right into it. Before we put the new wheel on, we're gonna check to make sure our lugs are the right thread, right? We have a winner. So you just put this on there like that. You know, like that's the new thing on YouTube, you know? Alright, so the lug of choice, what we're using today, this is a metal lug. It's the standard like 45-degree angle lug for like aftermarket wheels. Now this, I've been using this since I had the install shop. So whenever someone would come in, they want spiked lugs, metal lugs the option. They're priced very good, never had any problems with them, ran them on a ton of trucks, like literally a boatload. Now they're finally going on the platinum here. But yeah, if you guys want to get these, I'll throw them up on the website, and they come in black or chrome, and they have the regular 5 lug, 6 lug, 8 lug kits. Wow, does that look good? I'm a huge fan of the stock ride height with, you know, full wheel well. I'm scared to turn the wheel because I don't want to see how much we got to cut off. Guys, we found another huge problem. I'll tell you here in a second, but it's not good. Literally, I can't catch a break. But it's a wear part. It happens. Just needs replaced. There's nothing we can do about it. But we're still gonna put all the wheels on. We're gonna see how they fit. We almost have half of the like legitimate wheel sticking out. That's the center line right there, and you can see where it stops. Yeah, almost half the tire sticking out. The wheels are turned slightly that way, so this one, you know, definitely more than half of it sticking out. Look how weird that looks with the back and the front. But Brett's gonna get in the truck and turn the wheels, and with the moment of truth, we're gonna see how bad it hits. Hold on, let me go over on that side. I think we're hitting the cab. Yep, in the cab. That's what I didn't want to happen. The bumper we can trim, cab, not so much. All right, come back my way. All right, Fudge, we just decided to drive it. Yeah, we're just gonna drive it. You know, you really get it whenever you go in and out of driveways and hit bumps and stuff. Oh! Can't do cul-de-sacs. Hold on, we'll get it. Alright, so the number one question, do 24 by 14s with 35s fit on a stock ride height F250? You guys seen the clearance, so it's plausible because you could do the modifications necessary to make it fit, but you're gonna have to do some cutting. So we're gonna try to drive it. We didn't do any cutting, fully stock. So we're stock ride height in the front, stock ride height in the rear. It does rub. You can kind of get a full crank of the steering wheel. We're gonna drive it just to go get some shots because it looks sick and I'm pumped. Let's go. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on in case, you know, oh, we didn't show them the issue. All right, we'll show you guys the issue when we get back to the shop, when we get back to the house. But we're first cruise on the 14 wide, stock ride height. You can do it, it's possible. You just gotta know where your turning radius is. You gotta know how much you can turn the wheel. You kind of got to put your window down and, you know, look out, see, you know, how much you cranked. Is it ideal? Not a chance. But is it sick? 100%. All right, let's get a quick walk around. We got to this lot out here. We'll do a quick walk around and then we'll get back to the house and we'll show you guys probably what's gonna hold us up from leaving these on here right now. Alright, so we made it back to the house. This is iPhone footage, by the way. It's absolutely epic. The new 11 Pro Max, holy smokes, with the wide angle lens, it's great. Okay, so we're gonna see how many cranks we can get. So there's about a 180. Alright, so we can't even get a 360 on the steering wheel. He's out there, so we'll switch to that clip there. So we'll go back to center. Let's go this way. So there's 180. About the same, you know, same each way. So there's what we got. But honestly, so where it hits, you know, it's not gonna hit up here. I really think that we can kind of roll this edge in. You know, we're gonna roll that edge, we're gonna pull this off, roll that edge in, and then do the same with the front, because it's not actually hitting anywhere up here. It's all this edge here. So if we roll this edge, you know, we have this flange here, we can roll that in and it'll actually make it parallel with the plastic. We're gonna roll this edge in. I think we can clear if we do that. Because if we go over here, you can see where it will hit. You know, you can kind of draw a line straight down this way. You might have to end up trimming this corner, but if you roll that edge in, it might clear. I don't know if you'll get 100% full crank, but you'll definitely be able to drive it. So we got to pull off this plastic, roll this edge in, trim back the inner fender liner. I want to trim the plastic. I want to try to keep the plastic, keep this top bolt, but basically trim it off here and then just roll that around. I don't want it to look junky. Obviously, a nice truck's just dirty now. But if we do those things, we might be able to get away with it. I don't know. What do you guys think? All right, we're gonna have to finish off the video on the old iPhone because the ADD decides to not work in the cold. I get it, it's cold, but what the heck? All right, so long story short, I'm not gonna leave the tires on. Here's the issue. So you have your steering linkage stuff down on the bottom, and then you have your tie run end thingy right there. There you go. You guys see that thing wobbling? Do it again. I actually honestly never noticed it with my factory wheels and those tires right there. As soon as we put these things on, I noticed something weird when I put it on the thing. As soon as I put it on the studs, and I'm like, whoa, something's odd. Gave it a shake with that side planted, obviously, because it's sturdy on the ground. You know, whoa, it's way out of whack. Going down the road, it's kind of floating. There's a little bit of floaty action going on. So it would be stupid for me to leave these on here. So once again, we have to do the install of shame and put the factory ones back on. I don't have a ball joint or a tie rod end. I'm not going to do it today. The sun's already like setting. And it's literally like 16 degrees out here. My hands are frozen. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put the factory wheels back on. We're going to grab a tie rod and we're going to try to get that done possibly tomorrow, because that's like a huge safety issue. That sucker breaks, you know, you won't have any steering. So it's a top priority to get that fixed. You do not want to ignore that stuff. So yeah, sick. Yeah, guys, real quick. I almost forgot to show you the metal lug spiked lugs in there. What do you guys think? They actually look pretty sick. I did go chrome. I didn't want to go chrome on black. These wheels do need a nice polish. They have been sitting for a while, so we're going to do a polish on them. And then, yeah, there's the lugs, metal lugs. Do 24x14s with 35-inch tires. Do they fit on a stock ride height F250? It's plausible. I'll let you guys decide. A lot of you older guys out there are going to think that I'm crazy. Or, yeah, it fits. You know, you can only turn your wheel halfway, though. You guys are going to think I'm nuts.